Hello guys, today I will show you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Google Chrome on your PC. Now, simply click on the three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen. Now, you will see this menu where you'll have to choose Extensions. Now, click on Manage Extensions button here. Now from this menu, you'll have to choose Bookmarks and Lists. When you choose Bookmarks and Lists, it will show up this sub-menu where you'll have different options. From these options, you can see the Bookmarks bar, you can see all the bookmarks, you can import bookmarks and settings, or you can navigate to Bookmark Manager. So we'll navigate to Bookmark Manager. Now, it will instantly show us the Bookmarks bar. Here, you're going to see Bookmarks bar. Now, you will see all the bookmarks that you will have on Gmail, YouTube, and other bookmarks. So you can see you also have other bookmarks and mobile bookmarks. So on this page, in order to export the bookmarks from this account, I will click on this small three-dotted icon at the top right, not this one, but this one. Now, you will see some options from which you'll have to click on Export Bookmarks. Now, you will see a pop-up appearing where you can easily choose the storage location for the bookmark file that we are going to download. Also, you can rename the bookmark as anything you want. So I will name this bookmark 12325 and click on save. Now, when I click on save, the bookmarks would have been exported. Now I'll have to just open Google Chrome with another account and click on the three-dotted icon at the top right. From this, choose Bookmarks and Lists, and from these options, choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. Now, it will show up this page that says Import Bookmarks and Settings. You can also choose Microsoft Internet Explorer if you want to export or import the bookmarks from Internet Explorer, or you can simply choose Bookmarks HTML file. So in our process, we are going to choose Bookmarks HTML file. Now you can select items that you want to import, that is favorites and bookmarks. Now click on the choose file button and simply locate the bookmark file that we previously downloaded or exported from the previous account. After locating this, choose it and click on Open. Now, choose to turn this on that says Show Bookmarks bar and click on Done. Now, this will instantly import all your bookmarks to this exact account. You can see when I navigate to Bookmarks and Lists, click on Show All Bookmarks, it will show up that I have 6 new bookmarks that I imported. It will be in the imported folder that says 18 bookmarks imported. So that is the simple way to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.